watch my stove beat. You let the mess talk. Ay, if I kill her, it won't be the alcohol. Ay, I'm the realest after all. Be humble. Sit down. Do y'all see this? Yo, we is giving it the scalp to the scalp, the scalp, scalp, the scalp, get it scalp, get it scalp, the scalp, scalp, the scalp. Your girl is back. Your girl is back. I've been going for a minute now. I'm back with the melt off. I said I'm geeked and I'm fired up. Hey, all I want tonight is just get. Hey, girl, you look so good. It's to die for. Hey, ooh, this wig look good. It's to die for. Yo, do y'all see the meltage? Do y'all see the meltage without makeup? Without makeup. Do not let anybody tell you that you need a full face of makeup to wear a wig, because your girl is living proof, okay? Living proof. What lace? What lace? And I'll show you the pictures in the natural sunlight, because these studio lights. But we also going to melt the lace for the sunlight, okay? Purr. Hey, y'all. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Ooh. Y'all, I'm in a good mood because I look good, okay? Argue with your mammy. Because baby, what? So today's video is sponsored by your girl, because now y'all might think I'm a little crazy, but I haven't really installed wigs in like 3 months. I've done like lace part wigs or headband wigs, but like a frontal, your girl ain't been doing it because I don't really wear frontals like on an everyday basis, and I wasn't recording, so I wasn't like practicing. Your girl just wanted to see if she still got it, okay? And I answered my own question. I do. Because sometimes you got to beat your own horn, okay? Sometimes you got to clap for yourself when ain't nobody else clapping for you, okay? Sometimes you got to cheer yourself on when ain't nobody else cheering for you. Woo, 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 woo. Yes, because one thing about me, baby, I'm always going to celebrate myself, even if I don't have nobody to say congratulations. I'm proud of you. You did that. Shanise Nicole is always going to celebrate every win, whether it's big or small. I have some sponsorships coming out, and they're human hair wigs, and I'm just like really nervous to like get in there and, you know, install the wig, and that's my truth. So let's get into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. All right, so this is Outre Perfect Hairline 13x6 fully hand tied lace wig. I have Katya, girl, I don't know, but this wig is heat resistant, safe up to 400 degrees. I have it in the color number 1. Here's her stock card. It did come with the faux scalp, but I did go ahead and cut that out because I'm not that light skinned. Even on people with lighter complexions, it still might not work because it's just like an odd color and everybody cuts it out. And I just think it's really unnecessary because it's all the way back here and it causes like a huge line of demarcation, but it's kind of tedious to cut out, but it's not a big deal. Like, I snipped it out and kept it moving. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons of this wig. The only con I would have to say about this wig is it does tangle. Okay, it does tangle, and my daughter did go in and flat iron my hair. I did 1 or 2 passes. I didn't want it to be bone straight, but I just felt like with the full kinky texture that it has, it was just like really looking wild and poofy. So I wanted a little bit of sleekness to it, and plus my daughter wanted to flat iron my hair. Parents, if you have a teenager and your teenager wants to do something for you, spend time with you, you're automatically going to say yes, because I love having my moo around. Those are the only cons that I have, so let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the parting space. Okay, the parting space, it is a true 13x6. You can do a deep left side part, you can do a deep right part, and the middle part is giving buzz down Scalpiana. Another pro is the lace. Even though the lace does come really, really light, it melts down amazing. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Shanise Nicole _ because I do show me in natural lighting outside with the lace melted. Okay? And it's giving, this is my hair. It's giving, this is my hair. And you can argue with yourself, but this is my hair. Okay, and I'm just so excited. I haven't been excited about a synthetic in a long time. But this synthetic is very beautiful. It is kind of on the pricier side, but that's because it's 13x6, it's long, and they call it, it's the perfect hairline. The hairline, as far as the hairline, it's not really a con and it's not really a pro, but it does come pre-plucked, but like the beginning of the hairline is so freaking boxy. So freaking boxy. So I did go in and pluck it out so it can look a little bit more natural. Like, come on, y'all. Like, get into the pluckness. Get into the scalp. I'm just so excited. So another pro I would have to say about this wig is the hair texture. I love kinky straight. Kinky straight to me is just so beautiful. The hair does tangle, but I haven't received a whole lot of shedding. I did receive some shedding when I went in and plucked the wig, but other than that, no shedding, just some snags, but it's expected. It's a long synthetic wig, and I just love it. It looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. So if you like a kinky straight wig and you want 13x6 parting space, go ahead and get this wig. I need to get a human hair wig like this because, yo, this is giving me all the feels. Like, I just feel like I look freaking amazing. I look freaking amazing. I can't stop looking at myself. Can't stop, won't stop, bad boy. I just upgraded from my last toy. My husband can't stand that song. But yes, y'all, this wig is definitely a winner, and I highly, highly, highly recommend it. The kinky straight goodness is just everything. You can wear it up style, down style. You can wear it any way you want to wear it, boo. It's your wig. As far as the wig being big head friendly, this wig did come really, really, really big. I did go ahead and cut off the sides, but when I readjusted it, it still was too big. So I didn't want to cut too much into the parting space. So they just flapping in the wind. Okay, they're covering my ears just a little bit. Y'all know I do not lay down the sides of my wigs if they're not going to be seen, and I do not apply any makeup products. But where I did apply makeup products and lay down my wig, it is looking good. Okay, it is looking good. I'm just loving this look so much. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you're here for Katya, okay? Because that's her name. I'm taking over this wig. This is my hair. This wig is everything, y'all. If you haven't gotten this wig, definitely check it out. Just be mindful, it is a synthetic wig, so it will tangle over time. But if you take care of your wigs, store them correctly, they'll do fine. They'll do fine. You'll get a couple wears out of them. I'm going to wear this wig on a date night because my husband told me I look good. And baby, once my husband told me I look good, can't nobody tell me nothing. All right, but I did go ahead and purchase this wig off of Ebony Line, but you can shop wherever your heart desires. I'll leave a link down below in the description box. So drop a comment down below if you like this wig. Make sure you're following me on all my social media platforms. All of my direct links will be listed down below in the description box as well. So if you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.